If you're still spending hours creating slides, you are doing it the hard way. I didn't create this presentation manually. I built it in minutes using AI. All I did was upload a simple document and turned it into this, a fully designed structured presentation with zero stress. Let me show you exactly how I did it using Claude and Gamma. Let's do this in a number of steps. So step one, you open your Claude AI. You can simply search this on your browser, just Claude AI and CLAUDE.ai. So you can either sign up if you're not a user yet or sign in. Then after you sign in, you come here. We have, first thing we're going to do here is we're going to use Claude AI to analyze our documents and convert it into a slide outline. So the next step to do is to upload our documents. To upload our documents, you click on this plus sign. You add your files or photos. Ensure that your document is already in a PDF format. So you click on this plus sign, you click on this paperclip icon here, then you upload your preferred documents. I'm uploading my document which I already saved as a PDF. This could be a meeting agenda, a client's notes, a proposal, or even a travel itinerary. So next step now is to ask Claude to turn this into slides. So we're going to be prompting it to do that. You see, I added a prompt. I said, analyze the uploaded documents and convert it into a short presentation outline. Limit the presentation to 4 to 5 slides only. That's my preference. You can change yours. Okay, so organize it with clear slide titles and concise bullet points, including title, objectives, key discussion topics, action items, next steps. So I also asked you to keep the content brief and presentation ready so it can be easily converted into slides in Gamma. So next thing is to click on send. Okay, so it's giving us our slides already in outline format. So what the next thing to do is to copy this outline and paste it into our Gamma AI. So I'll be copying this directly from slide 1. I'll be copying this directly from slide 1 up to the last slide. Gamma is going to turn this outline into a fully designed presentation. Now what we're going to do now is to create a new presentation. So we click on this create new. I'm going to choose the option to paste my text. The outline that Claude generated, which I copied, I'm just going to paste that here. From now slide 1 down to slide 5. Since Claude already organized everything as slides, I'll select generate from notes or outline. From this place, I'm going to select generate from notes or outline. That's because we already have the outline from Claude. So click continue to prompt editor. Gamma will now automatically convert the outline into a design presentation. Okay, we have this now. We can like proofread if there's any error. So now we can generate Gamma already. Gamma will now automatically convert the outline into a designed presentation. And just like that, wow, just take a look at this, it's still processing. So I said we should not close the tab until while the generation is in progress so that we don't lose the progress of the design. We have to be here. Let's wait for our outcome. Okay. Still generating. And just like that, Gamma has created a full presentation with layout, structure, and design. Just let's take a look at this. This is our first slide, the meeting objectives. The second one, the key topics. This is the third slide, the action items. The fourth slide. So you do well to review, to check for any misspellings or errors. So instead of manually building slides from scratch, you can simply upload your documents to Claude, generate a slide outline, and let Gamma turn it into a professional presentation in minutes. And when you're through with this, you can export your projects and get it saved for the purpose which you created it for. If you found this helpful and you're going to try it out, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you. Bye.